So, a very happy morning to all. So, here is our second topic is parts of speech. Before going to that, um, I should thank myself for given me these kind of opportunities to uh, take classes. Uh, Especially, I would like to thank my management to getting me into this. Now I'm extremely happy about what I'm having. So let's move into the topic. Second topic is parts of speech. So in the previous session, you might have seen WH questions. I hope you have understand. I have attached with that syllabus also. So here is what our subject code is, HS8151. So in this topic, especially in communicative English, parts of speech is an important one, because after learning 8 parts of speech only, we can able to learn a lot of new words in different situations. So every situations defined parts of speech. So like how people with different characters are there, different qualities, and then we can come across with those kind of qualities only, like that only. In parts of speech also, in 8 parts of speech, we will be able to see the different parts of speech in different situations. Without using them, we can't frame the sentences with the good grammar, because grammar is based on here only. So what is parts of speech? How it will be help to the students is, you can able to speak a fluent English, as well as you can able to write a language. So this is what your objective. In 8 objective, we can able to see the separatively, we can able to see the different parts here. So in these different parts, you can be, so in 8 parts of speech, each words gives you different meaning, like noun, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronoun, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. So with all these kinds, we can able to learn what is noun and what is verb and what is adjectives, like that only. We can give some more. I can able to give you introduction. So in this session, you are going to interested by learning new words. So in dictionary also, you can able to see that attached with a new word, they will be given marked with a noun or a pronoun. That might be anything, prepositions or conjunctions or interjections or anything. They will be attached with these words. Without attaching the words, you can't able to know that. And also, without marking that one, you can able to understand what is noun and what is verb. So never forget that one. So what is noun? Noun is a naming word actually. People might have familiar with the word of noun is a naming word. Actually it is, but it represents the place, person, animal. It may be anything, whatever the existence. We have to give their name, give some kind of names, and then so that we can denote it is animal. So it is the dog, it is the it is human being, this is human being, and this is ball, like that. Whatever the object we have to, so object it represent the things. So it represent the things, so like that only. So noun refers to the names, place, person, place, animal or thing. Boy, dog, red fort, Honda city, like that. Here you can able to see that examples with marked words. Verb is the part of speech that names action. So Ricky walked to school, the baby is crying. So Ricky walked. Walked is the verb here, action verb. So the baby is crying. Crying is a action verb. So how can we able to understand this is a verb and this is a noun is whenever you find that the word represent that action of particular person or a subject, I mean the subject, whenever the action does by the subject, it will be called the verb only. Then it will also stative also. When I start to say that I believe in you, I trusted you, I thought of you, so here thought, believe, so these kind of words also belongs to the verb only. So these kind of actions will be referred as a stative verb. So second thing is, the next thing is adjective. Adjective is a part of speech that describes the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. The green parrot is flying. So adjectives here represent parts of speech that describes the quality of a person, place, animal or a thing. So the green parrot is flying. So here the green parrot represent so green is represent about the parrot's quality. So simply if we say the parrot is flying means never giving that much exaggeration about the parrot. When we are saying that green parrot, we are giving the additional information about the particular thing. So here the bird is parrot, we are giving additional information about the parrot is green here. Green is the adjective here. So it represents the quality of persons, place or animal or thing, whatever it may be. It never not only represents the bird, it also refers that place, animal or a thing. India is with a lot of traditional temples. So when we are saying that simply temple, it never gives you that much impression. When you are saying that traditional temples, it will be giving the additional information about the temples. So here the traditional, it represents a thing, or here is what it is. So the next thing is adverb. Adverb is a part of speech that adds more information about a verb or an adjective. It not only gives additional information about the verb, it also gives additional information about the subject also. When he is very hungry, he eats quickly. So here is what it is. When he is hungry, he eats quickly. So simply when we are saying that he is hungry means it simply references without any expressions. When we are trying to say that when he is very hungry, he eats quickly means it gives you a lot of information about the subject. So especially about the quality of the subject. So it not only represent that information about the verb, or it can also gives the information about an adjective. So here is what it is. So the next thing is pronoun. Pronoun is a part of speech that replaces a noun. Nikki is Indian, she is beautiful. So Nikki is Indian is a Nikki is a noun here, because whenever we are mentioning, that is a naming word actually, we can able to see that. So she, instead of noun, we are using pronoun. So we are replacing the noun into pronoun. So whenever you want to try to write a story, you can't be able to write that Nikki is Indian, Nikki is beautiful, like that. So it gives some more awkward kind of feeling. So apart from that, it never goods fair. That's why we are using Nikki is Indian, she is beautiful, she is represented pronoun here. So what is the preposition? Is a part of speech that shows a location, position, time or directions, whatever it may be. We went to school on Monday. So it gives a connection between the noun as well as the object. So you can able to see that noun and connections between the noun and then object. So we went to school. School is a school and Monday. So here you can able to see the location is to and time is on. So parts of speech holds a strong relationship between the noun. So what is conjunctions? Conjunction is a part of speech that joins together group of words or sentences. So it gives a group of words like cats and dogs. When you want to add additional word to the particular thing, you can use and to define the sentence is same. So that's why we are using conjunction. So what is interjections? Interjection is a part of speech that shows emotion, surprise or emphasize. So whatever you are feeling, you are just expressing with that word. Ouch, hi, how are you? Ouch, that hurts. Hi, how are you? Like that we can able to use that. It all with that emotion, surprise and then emphasizes. So here is what it is. Actually these 8 parts of speech is define the different word. We can able to see that following words with a different examples. Without using these examples, you can't able to know that this is a noun and this is a verb and this is adjectives or this is adverbs. So whenever you are learning noun or anything, you should learn that with an example, because it gives a empty number of examples to learn a lot of things in different situations. Especially we can't compromise or convinced with one single word. We should be in a position to learn additional word to the particular vocabulary, whatever it is. Okay, so there is 3,000 or 4,000 of words of noun or pronoun are here. In Google you can able to see that lot of examples. Without the example we are not at all sharing any PDFs. So when you are in a puzzled situation, you can able to search the words with these meaning. I hope it will give you some more informations about it. So I hope you are enjoyed this class like a previous class. So here is what my mail ID is, sinduar@nprcolleges.org. So I'm working as assistant professor of English at NPRCET NATHAM. If you want any doubt, any clarification, you can mail me there. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask me there. I'll reply for the doubts whenever you have asked it to clarify. So thank you all.